We have destroyed by pouring all the 640 liters. This is just a warning to those people who are dealing in this business, that we mean well for the community of Borabu, we mean well for the residents of Borabu, and we are going to work hard as a team to ensure that we get rid of the bigger fishes who are supplying, so that we cut the source for the smaller ones who are the retailers. This is in line with the presidential directive on combating illicit brews and drugs. So as a team, following the directive, we met and decided that we are going in for the bigger fish, those people who happen to be suppliers to the smaller retailers.